Now check this out. This is a really cool Play-Doh set. From Marvel Superhero Adventures, this is the Spider-Man Super Tools Play-Doh set. And look, it comes with 3 cans of Play-Doh, white, blue, and red. No way. Look at all the stuff you can make with it. You can make a spider web, and it looks like it's coming out of Spider-Man's hand. You can make Spider-Man himself. It even comes with a Spider-Man Play-Doh cutter, and you can make a spider? Whoa! This looks like so much fun! Let's take this out of the box and make some cool Spider-Man stuff. First, let's try this one out. This is a spider. I just put blue Play-Doh inside of the spider. Now I'm going to squeeze it to watch the legs come out. Okay, that's pretty cool, but I bet we can make the legs a lot longer. Whoa, that's super duper creepy. It's an 8-legged spider. No way, I don't like spiders at all. That is so cool, and we could keep adding Play-Doh to it to make the legs super duper long and make this spider super duper creepy. I've got a little bit of Play-Doh here, and I have this awesome Spider-Man Play-Doh cutter. Let's chop it up and see how good this Play-Doh cutter works. Wow, that is awesome. That was so easy. I just sawed right through both pieces. That's great. So I just put a bunch of white Play-Doh into the back of this and squeezed so hard and a bunch of Play-Doh came out. Kind of looks like a spider web. Oh wait, I know what I need to add. Okay, now it really looks like a spider web. That's so cool. And look, you can see Spider-Man's hand. That is so awesome. This thing is pretty cool. I'm gonna put some Play-Doh inside and see if we can make a mini Spider-Man. I put the Play-Doh inside, I gave it a good nice squeeze, and look, I have a mini Spider-Man. That's cool. That was a whole lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it too, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel, because we buy brand new toys, we unbox them, and we test them out and show you how they work. We have a lot of fun here, and if you like having fun, and if you like Play-Doh and other awesome toys, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.